What's up, guys? This is Drew of POV Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 BMW 330i xDrive with M Sport. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, and this has an 8-speed automatic transmission. The xDrive will do 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds, which is pretty good, especially for it's just a great daily driving vehicle. You have a heated steering wheel in here. You also have heated seats, but no ventilated seats. And you have the iDrive 8 with the big screen setup, reverse camera, sport modes. I'll lower that speed a little bit. There we go. Okay, perfect. All right. So you have sport mode, comfort, and Eco Pro. I want to put it in sport mode for the drive. I always do that because I just like to drive it in the sporty settings when I'm going for a test drive in these videos. These seats are it's black leather seats, feel comfortable. You have a pretty big sunroof. Yeah, it's actually a really big sunroof for a sedan. That's cool. Let me see if you guys can get a better view of it. There you go. All right, but let's walk around this car. And this has the aluminum rhombical anthracite trim, or at least that's what it looks like. Exterior's Alpine white. I like these wheels and daytime running lights. The M Sport looks really good with the black grills. It looks like an M340i. They look pretty much identical, except the M340i will have M Performance calipers, which are either going to be red or blue in color. But this looks good with these wheels and the black trim and the white color and all of that. Here are the rear seats. And here's the back of the vehicle. Looks nice. And you also have an xDrive badge on the back. Obviously the M Sport doesn't have an M badge or anything, thankfully. But you can tell it's an M Sport by the sporty look. It's just a cosmetic package. And here's the trunk space. And then in the facelifted G20, rear bumper looks a little different, like on the M Sport. Like it does like those a lot of gloss black, and then on the sides it has like those little triangle things for the design element. But overall, it's a very good looking sedan, and I love the M Sport steering wheel. Let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. Nice and heavy steering with the sport mode. Yeah, this really is a nice car. Like, if you're looking for a nice daily driving vehicle that looks sporty and stylish and has a nice interior, you will love this BMW 330 M Sport xDrive. Yeah, I mean, the steering in a 3 Series is always very nice. It's very nice and heavy. There's no amount of vagueness at all. Like, when you turn the wheel, you know exactly where it's going. It feels so nice and stable. One way to describe a BMW, the way BMWs drive, is the stability. They feel very stable. It's very nice. And then I just put it in comfort mode right now. It's gonna cruise a little bit. You also have a wireless charging tray over there. You know one thing? My G80 M3 doesn't have a wireless charging tray over there, which really bothers me. The wireless charging tray in my M3 is in the center console, and I never use it because, like, if I had a charging tray over there, I'd be using it all the time. I don't know why they did that design. It's like the same thing over here. Like, it looks the same as this. So why do I have a charging tray in the center console, and it's a really bad design. Like, it's like this little clip where I have to put my phone in. I don't like that. This is way better. That's one thing I just don't understand, why it's designed that way, because I would love to have that charging tray. Very, very easy acceleration. This thing just glides across the road. It's a wonderful car. The xDrive definitely makes the drive even better than the rear-wheel drive. I would definitely opt for the xDrive. It makes a big difference in terms of pickup, handling, and all that stuff. One thing I can tell with the difference in the horn pad between this and my M3 is my M3's horn pad is like, this is like genuine leather, and it's like stitched all around, looks much more detailed. But this makes sense for like a 330i M Sport wheel. This is a really nice wheel for sure, but you'll see differences like that between an M car and like a regular car, regular BMW. The differences in the leather quality, stitching, and all that. Yeah, as I said, this is a very wonderful car. I'm really enjoying this drive. It feels great. Seems like that lane keep assist is pretty sensitive. Yeah, I prefer to have that lane keep assist turned off because it's very, very sensitive. Like, it's too intrusive. Like, it just keeps on shaking the wheel all the time. I have it turned off in my car because I don't like it at all. It's too much in my opinion. Maybe some people like that much sensitivity with the lane keep assist, but I certainly don't. Overall, this 330i M Sport is a very nice driving vehicle. Looks good, has a great driving feel, and has all the tech that you need. And it's a very nice overall daily driving vehicle. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new certified pre-owned or pre-owned BMW products.